guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarja V, aka Designer Mom. So in this video we're gonna do a fall reset. So it's that time of the year where it's the holiday season. We are going to be entertaining, and it's nice to also, freshen up your space. Make sure that your sofa is clean, especially your dining chairs. And also I'm going to wash my curtains. So in this video we are going to pretty much remove my cushion covers, put them in the wash, get them clean so they could smell nice and fresh, for the holiday season. And it also helps, it helps with making your home smell just nice and clean and refreshed as well. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I'm also gonna wipe down my dining room chairs. Now my chairs are fairly new, but they do have minor stains, from my cats or just from spilling juice or some other drink on there. So that's what we're gonna do as well. And then we're gonna wash all my curtains in my apartment. That is the goal today, because I love washing my curtains. They freshen up the space as well. So afterwards, my apartment is gonna be smelling so fresh and so clean and just ready for the holidays. And then after this video, I'm going to pretty much decorate for fall. So I'm super excited to do that as well. So mostly the main objective of the fall reset is just so that I can take out my fall decor and pretty much decorate for fall. So I hope you guys are motivated and you enjoy this video. So let's start cleaning. So to clean the fabric on my sofa, I've always used Awesome, which you can purchase at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I love using this cleaning agent. It is perfect. I've never had any issues with any staining on my fabric. This gets out any tough stain, any grease, any type of marks on your fabric or sofa. This product is the perfect agent to get it out. Just make sure the mixture between water and the chemical is diluted properly. And also I use this on my dining chairs as well. So if you're looking for a product to clean your sofa fabric, I highly recommend Awesome, which you can purchase for like $2 or $3 at the dollar store. But it's a wonderful product.